Hi everyone, I'm RJ, Business Manager from No Deviation. No Deviation is organizing a Pharmaceutical Maintenance Symposium on 16 and 17 May at Amara Hotel. Today, we are very happy to have invited Christophe to join us to speak on this event, right? As iCare is one of the sponsors for this Pharmaceutical Maintenance Symposium. Christophe, can you share a little bit about yourself and iCare, as well as why iCare would like to sponsor and participate in this event?
Yeah, sure. Hi, RG. Thanks for the invitation to this talk. So I'm Christophe. I'm a Business Development Manager for Southeast Asia for iCare based in Singapore. iCare is active on the predictive maintenance industry. So we make sure we increase the asset uptime of our clients by using more than 20 years of expertise and technology. We're 800 employees across the globe, growing a lot these last years. And yes, for us, it makes 100% sense to be part of this event.
Great, nice. And you'll also be speaking on the first day on the future of vibration monitoring and predictive maintenance. Can you share a little bit as to what the audience can be expecting from your talk?
Yes, so as you know, RG, vibration data is a leading indicator for machine health. Vibration will show anomalies before ultrasound, before temperature. So if you can master vibration monitoring, vibration analysis, you will optimize your operations and bring a lot of value to your company. It can be financial value, it can be quality value, it can be safety value. Yeah, mastering vibration is key. And so today we want to show you how you can do that and what are the latest technologies and latest tools to optimize vibration monitoring.
Awesome. One last question for you, Christophe. Right, there may be still some people who may be contemplating on joining this event. Right, do you have anything you would like to share to those people who are still considering whether to come for this event?
Sure. I think if you want to have insights in the latest technologies to optimize your maintenance, be it on the whole digital strategy, digitization strategy. So my colleague, Peter Van Kamp, our Chief Commercial Officer, will also be talking how to digitize, how to look at digitization with respect to maintenance. So if you want insights on that, please come. If you want more pragmatic insights on vibration monitoring, how to use this for better returns in terms of operations and efficiency, please come. You'll have a lot of ideas to bring back home. And yeah, plus you'll meet a lot of nice people.
Yep. I mean, just to add a little bit on whatever you shared, Christophe, right? I really strongly encourage people to join this event because they'll get the advantage to connect and engage with industry experts, expand their network, as well as really gain valuable insights from this event, right? So we definitely look forward to be seeing everyone on this event, right? Thank you for joining us, Christophe.
Welcome. Thank you, RG, and hope to see a lot of people on the event.
Definitely. I hope that this event will really be a success. See you, Christophe.
Yeah, cheers. Bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye.